Sorry guys, it seems I took more time than I should be. Okay, give me a sec. Let's close this, close this. Okay, so we was working over the monitor 3 and we are about to start cause it's going to expire today, or we say retire today. So let's go for it. Dang it. There we go. It's cold. There's a new video out. You guys can check. Although from now on, I don't think I'll be posting any video. Whatever we'll be doing it in the live. Let's start with the monitor 3 as it's already fired and VPN is connected. So let's see if we have it over here. No, we don't have the file. So we will create it over here. It's a medium. And which box is it? It's a Linux box or a Windows box? Oh. I was about to report that it's a Linux. And what else? Don't know. We'll put it in the live. Created it today. Machine IP address. This over here too. Machine URL. There we go. Man, it's a shivering. Let's put it here because it's annoying. So let's see what we have else. Okay, let's add the host name here. Monitor 3, cause that's how things work here now. Cause these are the new boxes, so you need a DNS or host name to connect with them, else it won't connect. Maybe in some portion, but I'm not sure if it will always be going to the case. Give the IP address here, copy this, shoot here, enter. Kali, let's see what ports are here. Man, it's cold. Give me a sec, I'll be putting something like warm on. Yo, it's cold. Okay, almost about to end. Ouch. Dang it. Okay, scan is almost end. It's gonna say that there is a redirection in the port 80, else it would have been accomplished by now. Cold. Who is watching? What's up, brother or sister, whoever it is? How is it going? Damn, it's cold. Okay, we got a nmap output. let's see what we have in here. And as we said, it says like we have a redirection here. But brother, you started stream early today. No, actually, it's Monitor 3, which is a retired box, or it is about to retire today. As you can see over here. It's cold. It is about to retire. In 5 hours, it is going to be a retired machine. So we are solving it before it gets retired. Although I have a VIP, but it is about to retire. So let's go. Even I haven't solved it yet. So it might take like 2 to 3 hours, something around that. But it seems someone took it around like in the 12 minutes, and someone got the blood over 45 minutes for the user. Let's see if we can get to this same pace. And yeah, we need to add this host into the Etsy host. For that, we will do sudo manage hosts, and it's a new host. We're gonna provide the IP address, enter, and with that, let's give it the host name. There we go. Nothing else. We are good. So let's there. And over here, ouch, my fingers are in pain, man. Ouch. What do we have? Okay, cleared this. Let's run the nmap command again, and this time we will get the redirection. We won't get the redirection stuff in the output, but there might be more information we will be able to pull using the using the DNS name. So let's go. And those who started watching, please like. This is going to be pretty helpful. Okay. Add the host name first using our tool, manage hosts. Okay, almost complete. There isn't any foothold yet. Okay. We know that on the port 84, like 8084, there is a filtered, and there is some web SNP is running over here. So like, let me tell you something how this is going to be. First, we are going to exploit this part. Once we'll get the username and password, we will be going into the SSH, and once we'll get the SSH, we will be using the what the hell is that thing? Local SSH tunneling. Using that, we will try to access this port, and we'll try to exploit this to get the root. So far I haven't solved it yet, but whenever I see this filter stuff, that's where my thinking goes. First as it is going to be in this manner. So let's see. We'll copy this and paste it here. So we are starting with we are starting with what? Port 80, and it's cold. And what is it running? Let's visit the web page and see if we can gather something from there. While doing that, let's run the puff scan for endpoints. Discovery. And we have it somewhere here. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we'll provide this over here. And as this is a Linux machine, so we will be removing those extensions which are related to the Windows. Although there might be a possibility that someone has used the Windows to create the website and after that host it over the Linux. Anything is possible, but still, we're not going to work around with those files. So let's remove this VBS, BAT, and extra over here. We can remove these jar class and detail here. Any other file? Not to be seen. There we go. Monitor trees. Let's put it here and copy this. Clear this out and shoot. Now, by the time this finds the other endpoints for us, let's visit the web page, and for that, this is going to be the host and stuff. Without HTTP, it will take you to the Google search. So you need to add the HTTP in there. Give me a sec. Okay, so where we are, pricing. This seems to be static. Login. Okay, we have login endpoint. Let's see. We have a nice admin page too. Let's see if we can access the admin. Remove this slash admin. Okay, it's a forbidden. Maybe some other endpoint after this may be available. There is a forgot password. And let's see what's over the forgot password. Sheesh. Paste forgot password. We have some good stuff here. Let's keep looking. Do we have any sort of username or any information that we might be able to leverage further? We have this sales @ something, and we have MentorsThree completely transform our network infrastructure. Their team was professional, knowledgeable. Okay, this is Nicholas John. Okay, so we have few names here. or we say the two names here. Let's add it here. While checking around, found some usernames and one email which belongs to sales. So we will create a table and email and should we put like a total name or username kind? I think let's take the name. We will copy this, paste it here, and it's going to be sales. And then we have this username. It seems to be testimonial for some reason. What our client says, yeah, it's under reviews. It is a testimonial. It should be from, right? Name slash email slash name. It's a review, and we have NIC OLA Nicola Johnson. And another review name. That's a Glenn Johnson. Guys, if you're watching, please like. And let's see what other endpoints we have got so far. Nothing. We'll go here, copy, and I think I have to wait to run the nuclei to check if we can perform any other sort of action here. It'll solve the puzzle, join the chaos. Who cares? Oh, we have the plugin dot css too. Let's see in the view page source what we have here. Admin assets, image, logo. Let's see. Core app JS. So version 1, pretty damn old, like 2015. Element. Anything good, like any other endpoint or something we can find here? Let's see what else is here. There is a server.png, enter your credentials, no. Forgot password. Okay, we have the forgot password, right? So, okay, it requires the username instead of email, otherwise, maybe username is this. Unable to process request, try again. If we'll try this. Unable to process request. Let's check with the admin. Okay, so we know that there is a user admin. I see. Let's capture here before it goes out, and okay, it's taking so much time to paste. Yeah, there it is. So was trying username enum enumeration. Let's write it pull enumeration on the forgot dot php which we got from the from the where from where from hashtag fuff scan result. And here I tried to give the admin as username, and it was here I tried to give the admin as username for the password reset, and it was successfully accepted. And let's check what else we can do here. Can we do this? Okay, good. We got an SQL error. Pretty cool. Let's highlight where we given the oh, color is not visible. Let's go with this. Where is the arrow? We give the input as admin and single quote. Damn slow machine. Just for fun, I tried giving the single quote in the end of username. Single quote is going to be this, like this. Admin single quote, and it got accepted, and with that we got the SQL error. Okay, so now we know that there is a possibility for the SQL injection, but For the same, I don't think we'll be going to use like the manual technique. If we can use the SQL map or something, that would be a bit faster than trying it manually. So with this, let's give a shot to SQL map and see what we can get from there. And this is going to be a post request, so we need to intercept this request and then save it over the machine. And once we'll save it over the machine, we'll provide that request to the SQL map, and it'll try combination, permutation, and other stuff for the SQL injection. So let's go. We'll go here and put it here. We'll be intercepting it over the proxy, and when I'll do the admin and save it, intercept on. I think the okay, request was already gone. Over here, no, this is the one, the post request, the get request. Yep, this is the request. Let's put it over the repeater and let's capture it. This is the post post request for this form for the password reset function. I think I should do this instead. This looks much cleaner. Then I'll be putting the screenshot. Let's put the screenshot too. Copy. We'll give this request to the where? To the SQL map, and run the and provide the parameter as username, where it will be performing all sort of like injection, combination, permutation, whichever it's a logic work. So let's go here, sh. We will but before that, save this request into some sort of file. Okay, so copy this. If I'll do HTTPS, okay, there is no HTTPS coloring. So we have our stuff here, and we can do this directly save to the file. Where the hell is it? Copy to file, copy to file. And where is it? Hack the box, machines, and this machine is MentorsThree, and we'll give it the forgot pass.sql. No, this will mess up. req request, save. we will split the bottom ls, and some sort of file like forgot pass dot request. Now that we have our request in the file, let's run the SQL map and open this, and over here we have the request and the parameter we are going to give, and we already know that it's using the MariaDB. MariaDB is a part of MySQL, so we'll define that over here. Over the one request we are doing it, so we will be using this request. And what do we got in the error over here? MariaDB SQL syntax. Do we have something proper SQL? Okay, let's give it let's not give any sort of database. Parameter is going to be the username, and the request is going to be this, and we'll copy this, click here, clear this out, paste it here, and enter. Now what's the command doing here? This is a level of like depth, how much deep or how much complex you want the SQL injection to be. The risk, if there is a WAF or something, if you want to still go through it or perform the action. So risks defined over here in the different factor. The batch we are using, so we don't have to give like if you see over here, do you want to follow the request or something, we're not providing any sort of input here. But if we don't provide the batch, it is going to ask for the input from the user. And over here the -dbs, it is for the database. So with this, it is going to look for the database by itself. Now I think it is for database, if I'm not wrong here. Well, we'll check that later, even if you're wrong. But for now, the command is working, and it seems it is performing the boolean based actions. Now the thing is, we need to wait and see if this action is possible with the SQL map or not, because sometimes there are possibility that even SQL map might not be able to perform the injection cause of complexity, or maybe it could be some other reason. But yes, there is possibility. And with this, we also got our scan finished for the FUF. So we will copy this, paste it here. Now we have more endpoint to check. Let's remove it till here and remove these. Bit cleanup, but it's okay. There we go. And one single quote from here, and we have a good looking output. Okay, so guys, like the stream, really like it, support, show some support. Now we will clear this and collapse. It is testing the boolean based. I hope it is not a time based injection right now, because if it is, it's gonna take like way too much time. HTTP for monitors. Okay, it is running. I was getting anxious for nothing. Do we have threads in here? Let's try if we can boost the threads. Cancel -T, and we'll go with the 1000. That would be too much. Let's go with the 500 threads. Let's see if it will work faster or it's gonna break. Anything is possible. Or maybe we just made it worse to limit the threads for the 500. I don't know. We'll figure it out after this. Hmm. Yeah, it is taking time, so we'll cancel it and put the threads over 1000. Enter, and wish it don't break. Yep, and pick the deal. Guess what's common in these cases? Women. Well, by the time it's checking, let's try if we can use any sort of payload by ourselves. So instead of here, we will go to login, and we already know that there is admin existing. So we will go to the Google and create a new tab. Give me a sec. I'll pull it here. And we will go to the payloads of all thing, whatever. SQL injection. No, we don't want SQL. Yeah, sorry. We want SQL injection, but not the other one. And do we have anything which can convey faster? Your error syntax near here. Example payload is this. Okay. Authentication bypass. Let's try this. Both side. Will it bypass? No, unable to process. Let's see if we do admin. Paste. Sign in. Okay. Admin. Limit 1 SQL MD5. Select from admin where pass is equal to something true. Will this work? Give me a sec. Okay, back. Let's go all the way back because single quote is triggering the injection. So we will remove all and press enter. Let's see what we get this time. Unable to process the request. Admin single quote paste all the way back, enter, syntax error, and it says MariaDB server version for the right syntax to use near .md at the line 1. Let's try another one then. Maybe this. Admin, single quote, enter. Or this is equal to this. What the hell is it giving us the exploit itself? Nope. Let's wait for the SQL map to finish. Although I'm pretty sure it is going to take a hefty amount of time. Even with the 1,000 threads. But we're not sure which injection type it's trying right now. We know that it's trying over the username, but we don't know the method or the technique it is using. Guys, like the stream, man. So for that, we will go to SQL map, and there was okay, there we have it. We will use this instead. Proxy will proxy it so we can check the request into the burp suite, and we will paste paste this. Now what it will do, it is going to proxy all the requests to the burp suite. We will be able to see it in there. And for the technique, we will paste, and let's try, we don't want to try the time based. Query base, I don't think that would be helpful. Boolean base maybe, but error base is union base, and S1 was I don't remember what was S4. Does anyone know a statement base something? I don't remember, so let's press enter. Go to burp suite, and we'll see over here. There you can see the request has been started, and it is trying to see, it is giving all sort of exploits here. And this seems to be a union base. If we try to convert it into, it says URL base, yeah, there we go. It's URL decoded, and it's a damn big SQL injection. I don't even know like what the hell is this string. Let's copy it, and we will try to check it over the CyberChef. What is this string? Oh, even CyberChef don't know. From base 64. No, I don't think it has anything to do with the base 64. Nope. It is sending a good amount of requests. Let's do this. Okay, it is repeating the same request twice or thrice. And I see what's the problem here. 302 found, and there is a redirection. Because of that, it's not able to get what it's looking for. I see. And for this, what we're gonna do is SQL map -h help, and we will do pipe grep redirection. Okay, we don't have anything to do with the redirection here. Wizard dump all. We can use this in the same command over here, but it's not gonna work. Technique, risk level, db, and URL. Current user, current db, password. For the full list, we need to perform double H. Enter. Okay, we have some thing to the ignore redirection. No, we want to attempt the redirection. Proxy authentication credentials. Now predict the output. Fresh query, ignore query result stored in the session file. Local store shared. Ignore the redirection attempts. I don't think this is a good idea. Sheesh. It was this flag, enter. And because of this, it's gonna create a chaos here. You will see. Forward, forward, forward all. HTTP. This one is also under redirection. So if I'll send it to the like repeater or something and put it over always send, let's see what we will get in the result. Let's render it out. Unable to process request. Try again. Now. Unable to process. It seems we cannot. Oh, it worked. Double value. As far as I can think, it is not able to perform any action because of this redirection. But who knows if it works. Big integer unsigned exp expiration GTID subset. I don't know what all these variables. Okay. Order by or group by. We are having order by. Okay. SQL state is this syntax error or access violation. You have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual that correspond to your MariaDB server version for the syntax. Although I don't want to try it because it's going to kill the system, so we will still do it. Nuclei, clear all, paste, enter, and here we go. My system all-time high. Okay, system died. Hey. Like the video, guys. Subscribe if you're new. Okay, system died. System died. Okay, back to life. I think it's going to break the scan. No result will be coming from the nuclei. It's flooding like crazy. It's just okay. It's no. It was the doctor. For some reason that got refreshed. Monitor 3. Yeah, all of these requests are going for the redirection. Oh, I messed up. Sorry. Yeah, so all these requests are going for the redirection. We won't be able to get the result out of it as far as I can understand. And we have some stuff here related to SSH, which is not worth. It seems we have to wait for pretty damn long. But even though, let's see one more thing. If we know that there is a SQLi, but we are still forgetting one more thing, and we still need to check if there is any sort of subhost or like subdomain which might be accessible or something somewhere, because it's a medium machine, so there are chances that we might be able to get some sort of subdomain. Ouch. Once the nuclei finish, then we will check for the subdomains also. So we'll go here while the SQL map is running. Let's check if there is any vhost or subdomain existing. Existence. For that, we'll use fuff again, and we'll open the fuff. And put the hashtag here, and we have the vhost. Open this, and what the hell is this? Oh, I see. Wherever I've put it, this filter, it is like overtaken by the hashes. Okay, we didn't got anything from the like nuclei. Let's see if we have anything over here in the subhosts. Oh, fuzz dot paste, and what's the host? This is the origin. Paste, and IP address is going to be this. Now this over here and this here, enter. Okay, we are getting so much garbage. -fl, and it's going to be 338. A sec. Back. Okay, so let's see. Ding. What we have? It's filtering good. Yes, it's filtering good. Who knows if we can perform something from the subdomain itself. There are multiple possibilities here. It seems it's still flooding the same thing and not able to reach a conclusion because of the 302 not found. And let me check one more thing in the Obsidian. Have you ever faced the same challenge? Okay, we got one subdomain. Rebolade doc. Pretty weird. But let's see. We'll wait for a bit longer. Okay. Zoing. Another weird one. Okay, you got a message. Do you guys think like we'll be able to get something from the like SQL map, or we need to work around with like manual SQL injection style, which I hardly think is going to be okay? We are still getting so much garbage. Size 0, 1. I think we are going for the wrong filter. There was a filter which was filter C, where we will be filtering the status. So let's go with the 200. Status response 200. So as long as there is a status with 200, it won't entertain the like it won't show us the request. Now we can check. Filter sometime can mess up stuff. Admin single quote or 1 is equal to 1 double dash. Let's try this. Unable to process request. Try again. I think there must be some sort of other check which is not letting these requests successful. Ouch. IBM database. I don't think there is. Okay, so it is trying like a variety of databases. My bad. So we are going to restrict it from using the other databases. We will be providing it the database it need. Oh, not a database, but where is that? DBMS, the type of database we have. It's a MariaDB, if I'm correct. Yes, let's type MariaDB. Let's go. Hush cushy. Let's cancel one last time and we will fix something. The time base, error base, then union base. We are looking for only these, and let's try to remove the threads. I think this is also one of the reasons it's causing the problem. Request risk batch dbs dump all, ignore redirection. We're not ignoring anything now, so there we go. Do you want to follow? Yes, we want to follow. Redirect is a result of post request. Do you want to resend original data or in post data to a new location? Yes. Let's see what's going on now. Hashkashi. We are stuck in between. Admin. There was a string. Select from the user. Okay, we cannot use this here. Or maybe we can. Let's try this and we'll go here. SQL paste username is equal to admin and password we don't know. We'll remove the password. This is the only string we have. We'll put it, set it, space, paste, and admin. Give us something, if nothing. Syntax error or access violation. 1064, you have an error in your SQL syntax. Check the manual. Select true if okay. Use near like something like this. Let's see. SQL. Where username is equal to admin and select to concate. We don't want to concate anything. Select from password. 1 closure, 2 closure, 3 closure, 4 closure. And we have a single quote here. We will remove it. This is going to be the whole query. Let's see if it works or it gives another error. Send it admin. I don't know why, but I feel my system might die because of this. There's a pretty damn big difference when solving the easy box and solving the medium box. We haven't found any sort of other subdomain. We don't even found any sort of a SQL injection. This is going to take forever if it keeps going like this. Give me a sec. Let me put it here. I want to check something. Over here. Open in default app. It's running the error-based injection. It's a MariaDB. Let's try one more thing before we messed up. MySQL it is. Oh, let me check here. MARIA DB. It's an adminer. I'm forgetting which database is a part of this. It is. Wait, we have solved it in adminer and it was the same. It is MySQL, not MSSQL. Got it. So we will check over MySQL here. Close it. Go here. MySQL. Show database. I don't think this is gonna work, but who knows. We'll go here. Admin, single quote, paste, enter. And we got another weird looking error. Where's our wrap? There. I'll send you an email. We'll send you an email. Okay. This doesn't contain the error message, but we have this as an error message. We got SQL. Let's see if this works. Oh, it worked. We got the SQL version here. Let's see what we just sent here. Admin, single quote, add, select one from select count, asterisk concate. What we are concatenating, we don't know. Over here we selected the version and then rand floor, randomly selecting information schema by this. Whoa, this is a pretty damn complex SQL. Okay, let's check, or we can try this admin and and admin1234, enter. Unable to process the request, space, admin123456789110, whatever. Let's go. If it bypasses it, invalid credential, check your username and password, then try again. Okay, so we cannot bypass stuff in this manner. Let's see. Union select column name, schema. Is there any way to like list out the databases? Admin, single quote, reset. Did we got the version number this time? No, we didn't got. Only this one worked. So let's try this. Send it. Unable to process the request. Admin, paste, send it. Unable to process the request. Give me one to list the what we say. And okay, so this is getting complex. Admin, enter. Let's try it over here. Oh, we have the request in the repeater. Paste it here. We'll be going with the admin and Control U, send it. So far nothing. Oh, that's not good. We didn't got any sort of endpoint. That's out of blue. Let's try the big one. DNS discover file system web content. There is a big, enter. Let's wait on it. Okay, I guess we got something this time. Cactus. And we also got this. We have the cactus here. Let's cancel this. Oh, let's let it finish and we will see as per that if this is domain we're going to counter, or the like the other one, or maybe some other. And all right, it's okay. It says that check the manual test correspond to your MariaDB server version for right syntax to use near whatever, or XP. Select from here concat whatever at line 1. Man, it seems we are going to get stuck here till night. Okay, let's try this then. Admin we will remove, and we gonna do the U. Send it. Unable to process request. Try again. Not unable. Oof. Okay, we got something. It says the Boolean mode and GTID subset concate. Again, some weird words. Syntax error. I'm pretty sure this is going to be like a weird looking SQL injection, but this is what it is. What else do we have? Paste this one. Backspace, select it all. URL encode, send it. And it's gonna say the same thing, unable to process. Again, unable to process. No, this time it processed. And what we got? Again, nothing. There is so much weird stuff. Yeah, unable to process. Okay. We got everything, I believe. While the SQL map is running, we also found another subdomain, and that is cactus. Cactus. Let's add this into the /etc/hosts and try visit. What will get from there? Space. And now that we have it here, let's add, we'll clear this sudo etc no manage hosts, password error. Now we go for it. We'll be appending the stuff, and we are using the 21st entry, and it's going to be like cacti dot monitor this, and we have a new entry here. Let's visit it. By the time SQL map is running, okay, we'll put a pretty damn big space here cause those stuff was working, but everything wasn't working. So now let's visit the new subdomain by the time SQL map is running. So let's see what we'll get from here. Duplicate, remove this, and it's a cacti dot MentorsThree, and what we have, and upon visiting we have got another login page related to cacti. It seems to be some sort of new some sort of framework. Let's see what we'll get. Okay, let's let it render fully, or we can just stop the proxy because the proxy is already giving the toll. This SQL map is already giving a toll over here. Brother, I have disabled the proxy, so why are you going so wild? Okay. This is a login page we have got, and it seems to have a version. And it seems to have version disclosure. Or instead of version disclosure, it's information disclosure, cause we are able to get the version of the service that we are using. So it's a information disclosure. Where the version of cacti is 1.2.26. Let's Google if we have any exploit for this. Although this is a one way, but I'm pretty sure there will be like a method to get, or the damn it, exploit the SQL also over the MentorsThree, which is their first step. Cause as per this, give me a sec, let me pull it here. Yeah, As per this box and the timing it is giving, I'm pretty sure it's like the SQL exploit someone has done, or the NLTE did over here. It is SQL I. So the next is, let's see, where was we? Not here. Yeah, we was about to do the Google. CACTI version is 1.2.26 exploit. And it seems there is a RCE via SQLi in polars. Import package. There we have some exploit in 26, in 22. Let's see over here. We have, okay, let's try using the MSF console. MSF console, enter. If what it's saying is actually work, we might be able to log in into the service. Paste, enter. Show options, enter, and curl false, file name, anything can be done. And what it says, fetch this local IP to use for server payload. Set fetch underscore, there was host, SRV host. It's going to be tune 0. Okay. Local IP to use for serving payload. It's going to be 10.16.3. Okay, the port is going to remain same, and remote variable directory to store payload cannot contain space. Over here it's asking for the local URI to use for serving payload. I think we are giving it wrong stuff, so over here it is going to be the host name, which is going to be this, and after that it is asking for the URL. Give a sec. URI path, it is going to be this, and I believe we can remove this. Only cacti can take, and set lhost to tune 0 and run. And it says one or more option failed to validate our host. Where the hell is our host here? Oh, we need to provide the our host here. Set our host to this, enter and run. The address is already in use or unavailable. Cacti Let's see. I'll host. If we go over 127.0.0.1, enter and run it. Exploit failed, runtime bad. Okay, whatever. Address is already in use or unavailable. Oh, that's weird. Let's change the port then. It's going to be 9999. Enter. Run. Okay, it started and it says auto running auto check. Set auto check false to disable. Run. Auto check is disabled. Generating the CSRF token to log in. True. I think it's not gonna work, or I'm the one who is not able to understand it, how it's working. So we have something over here, resource slash test.php, and this must be having some sort of amazing doesn't have any sort of script already. POC GitHub. Let's see. One, two, three, four, five. Unauthenticated. This is a rapid 7. No, this is not what I want. Filter. This is after steps. We still need to log in into the system. So when was this created? Only 5 months back. It seems someone solved it and created an automatic script for this, and it's in Python. You can also check this out here. Return okay. Pretty good. Okay, so we need the username and password to work around with this. It seems it's not an easy way to get through here. Oh. Did we have something here? Nope. I guess we'll continue this tomorrow, and else it will be taking all the time we have. So maybe I'll drop for now. We'll do this stream tomorrow.